So there's a door there, and there's one door. Is it my habit there doing a water pressure? Oh, and you're short when you do the water pressure. That's all our gadgets. So okay guys, we will tour our small RV. So this is the door here. So when you get in, we have a nice rocking chair here, and then this is the living room, and that's a couch, but you can extend it and it will become a bed at night if you want. If you have a visitor or a kid, they can sleep here. But my husband used it as an office. Like, that's all our computer bags for his work, and then all of that are the closet or what drawer that you can even what you want for the post to put it, you know, like this one. See, it's all storage, so many storage. And this one is our beach chairs. This is our dining table. It's good for 4 lights, and all that storage there. Storage. That's the microwave. That's the oven. It's a small oven, but you know, you can still bake or cook. This is our ice maker, coffee, like that. And this is that's the heater or air conditioning in the bottom. And this is our fridge. So this is the freezer. It's a good amount. We just arrived, so we have nothing inside. And this is the fridge. So we're about to go out again and buy the things for a week for our food. So I just cleaned that when we arrived, you know. So after that, if you want to go out there, so that's the door. So we have a TV. So that's the TV. You have an awning that you can extend there later if you want, and all that sounds, surrounds, whatever they want, you know. And this is my love, and welcome to our this is our RV. I'm touring the RV for them.
Okay.
So we have another door here. So this is the door. It's connecting to our bathroom. So this is another closet where all the towels is. So up, I put a fan. So that's our towel there. Another closet. That's so many storage. 1, 2, and then this is the shower. That's the shower. That's the shower of our camper. So that's all our cleaning materials there. I just put it there. And then this is the toilet bowl. Of course. Of course, that's the mirror. This, another mirror. And the sink. All our things. So this mirror is a double purpose. So, and it's become storage also. So another storage here. So if you want to put all your clothes over there, another one here for the towels, and this is the door again for the bedroom. So there's so privacy really. So that's the door. So this is our bed. It's a queen size bed, and it's really still so good, you know. So that's the window there, but I cover with the lights outside. I don't like it. Another TV, and that's my things. My iPad, another storage there, and the lights to watch, you know, to read, and then storage. This my husband is, and this is another door. This is another door, but we hardly use it. We lock it because we don't really need to open it because we don't have just me and my husband, you know. We don't need the other door to open. So this is it. This is our getaway always. So, and then when you go out like that, so you will lock the door, locking the door again, and then lock the door again. So this one here, guys, from here to there, that's the extension. So when how many feet is the extension, love?
30 feet is what?
How many feet is the extension of this? The one that we close and open, what do you call this? Awning?
Oh yeah, the slide out.
Yeah, we call it the slide out. How many feet is this?
How many feet does the slide out?
Yeah.
About 3.
So this is my husband said it's a 3 feet slide out. So no, it's a 4 feet slide out. So it's like when you are closing the when you tow it, you need to close the sliding. We call the sliding. So this one here will move here until on this side. So when you are using it, you have a 4 feet additional of space that you can use. Other camper, they have like 4 slide outs, one here, one there, and every corner they have slide outs, but it's so expensive. We're only a poor we don't really get the expensive one. We don't have the money of it. I forget the microwave on the top. So that's it. So when you setting your RV, you are going to extend it. You on the switch there, and you just going back, and then when you're close, going up like that. So this is it. So, and another storage here. So all our storage is there, and then all our cleaning things, you know. This is the Coleman grill, our vacuum, broom, and that's it. So that's the door there. And then this one here is what you call the awning. This one, when you on it, it will go out. But we choose our side that is under the tree, so it's so pretty. So like that. Oh, love, you need to put the labs.
I think let's have 2 places.
Okay. So we bought them.
Outdoor road.
So we bought so this is it. So we put a mat here, and this all our chairs, tables, our truck.
Surfside is darker.
We can put under here. See? So now, this is the mat. Now we are doing our camping.
Yeah.
So we have a picnic table, and then we have a grill. Then we cook. So that's the cooking. That's the fishing. So we're going to stay here for 7 days. So that's how it is. That's how we unwind.
Yeah. With great weather coming.
I know. So, welcome aboard to our Rockwood signature Ultralight. This is our love nest, the love nest of our love homes. This is love homes. Our home.
Homes Resort.
Yes. So that's how it is. So, and all the surrounding people here. In summer, this is all filled up because the ocean is just that. That's the ocean there, and you can hear the sound. In summer, this is all filled up, but right now it's this one here. So this is it, and then ooh. So
You can rock.
that's one over there. So
The rock would be over here.
okay, that's okay. I'm so good. So now I'm just chillaxing.
Two,
Yeah,
actually.
chillaxing for a week. Easy, chillax. So nice. Okay. Now I know. I said why when a camera. So when you touch on the front, it's like it's covered the camera.
Careful of his like roots.
Oh yeah? Where's your hatchet?
Yeah. I've got my little one that might be using that.
Oh, this is a wide.
Yeah.
Very nice.